Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this Pavoni espresso machine, and this machine had several issues. It had a pressure stat issue, and needed a new gasket set, and it just needed a bunch of work. So we did all that work, and now it's functioning well. You can see originally someone either dropped this or something, so the steam is crooked. But other than that, you can see we get nice strong steam. And let's go ahead and pour it. You can see the pressure is normal. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. You can see we get a nice shot with good thick crema. Oh, that one will taste good. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.